Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make the juiciest turkey burger with just 5 ingredients. Salt and pepper don't count. This is an extremely simple and quick recipe, and you really won't believe how juicy it is. I'm using ground turkey that has 10% fat, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, chopped flat leaf parsley, Worcestershire sauce, and grated onion. The only prep you have to do is grate the onion on a box grater. The toppings are up to you. 2 nice rings of onion, big slice of tomato, and your favorite cheese. I'm using mozzarella. You could definitely use pepper jack or cheddar. Couple of slices. You notice there are no eggs or breadcrumbs in this recipe. You just don't need it. I use a plate to put the turkey on instead of a bowl because it's just easier to divide it into 4 equal portions. To the turkey, add the Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and garlic powder, grated onion. This is what gives the turkey the juiciness. And the chopped parsley. If you don't have chopped parsley, it's okay, you can leave it out. Now just mix everything up with your hands. And that's it. We'll divide it into 4 portions. Just make sure they're equal. You want everybody to get the same size. Just roll it into a ball. After the pan heats up, right before I put them in the pan, I'll take them in my hand and just flatten it like this. Just like that. And when you put it in the pan, press the middle a little so it cooks evenly. Heat up a wide pan. I'm going to cook all 4 burgers together. If you're just going to cook 2, put the other 2 in the fridge, and you can use a smaller pan to cook just 2 burgers. I'm using a 12-inch pan. Add just a tablespoon or 2 of oil to coat the bottom. When the pan's nice and hot, we'll put the burgers in. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes until you see that the bottom side is browning. Cook for 2 more minutes on the side, and then we'll cover it and finish cooking for another 2 minutes. Also, if your pan looks dry, you can add a little bit more oil. You can see the other side has some color. Now I'll go ahead and cover it and cook for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes are up. You can see the burgers have swelled up in the middle. Turn the heat off and just leave them alone for 2 minutes and you're ready to serve. Biting into it right now is not a good idea because all the hot juices will explode in your mouth. The burgers are cooked at 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Now we can take them off the pan. You can see the other side is nice and golden brown and really juicy. If you like sauteed onions, put some sliced onions in this pan, red onion or yellow, and they'll be a great topping. For anyone who wants cheese, put the cheese on about a minute before the burger's cooked. I love dill pickles, so I always serve them with burgers. I'm just using your basic hamburger bun. Ketchup is of course perfect with any burger. With turkey burgers, I also love spicy barbecue sauce. Whatever you prefer. I'll cut into it so you can see how juicy it is. You saw how simple it is, just a few ingredients, and really quick to make. From start to finish, including cooking time, it should take you maybe 20 minutes. Nothing fancy here, just a really good, juicy turkey burger. Nice cheesy burger. I'm trying to feed you through the screen. I would if I could. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy recipes. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.